Hey guys, good morning and welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? So actually today is the 14th of February. Happy Valentine's Day to you all, and today is also Ash Wednesday, which all Catholic know what is Ash Wednesday. I'm super excited that this Valentine falls on Ash Wednesday, and it's a beautiful morning. I'm getting ready. The kids are getting ready for school, and right here I'm making their favorite breakfast. This breakfast I'm talking about, I'll share the recipe on my channel, so do well to check it out. It is my kids' favorite now. Anytime, what will you want for breakfast? They will say the pancake, the vegetable pancake. That's what they call it, vegetable pancake. It's bunch of nutrients. Anyway guys, welcome and welcome back again to another vlog. Let's see how this vlog will turn up today. I'll be carrying you guys along all the activities of today, what we are going to be doing. Pardon my morning face. Like I said, I just woke up and I'm getting my kids ready for school, so just pardon, this is not the beautiful face you know. Okay, in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Linda Chineye. I'm a Nigerian mom of 3. See this beautiful face right here? Don't worry, it's morning face. You're highly welcome. Please do want to stick with us by liking this video and subscribing. Okay, I will see you guys. Let me quickly show you guys the breakfast I'm talking about, and you can also check it out in my channel. All right, let's begin the breakfast before the kids. My first son is the one that usually woke up. He's already up taking his bath right now while I'm fixing lunch and breakfast as usual, always. All right, let me show you guys what I'm up to, and I'll talk to you guys in my next clip. Okay, you guys, this is the breakfast. I've already done the recipe on my channel. This is broccoli, carrot, cabbage, spring onion, tomato, onion, and that's it. I just finished preparing this bunch of nutrients. This, like I said, it's a bunch of vegetables that I love vegetables. Okay, all right, let's see you. I'll see you guys later. Let me quickly fix it up and I'll catch you later on.
Later that day.
Hey guys, so welcome back again. So I decided to share this today because today is 14th and it's the day they show love. So I decided to talk to you guys about siblings love. You see this thing called siblings love? Haha, don't joke with it. Okay? Kids, don't train your children not to joke with their siblings. That's the best thing you can do for them. Okay? So my daughter Adana and Jerry, every single day I made this clip, for by the way, for my Facebook page, and I decided to share it here for you guys. So every single day she all normally, because she comes back from school first, and when she comes back, brother will come back maybe 1.5 hours later. So every single day she usually join me to pick the brother. So the first one you saw was Monday, the next, this one is Tuesday, another one is Wednesday. That's how she usually follow me. See this hug, they never miss it, they don't miss it. She will be happily waiting for the brother to come, and the brother will carry her at his back, and they will just, it's like, oh my, all it's finished. So I decided to show you guys this every single day. This is what happens, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you teach your kids to love each other, to spend time with each other. And see the way I was shouting, oh my god, don't fall out, don't fall out. Because imagine, he is 7 years and she's 4 years. So imagine if 7 years carrying a 4 years. My heart will be flying every time that he's doing this. But anyway, I can't stop him from showing the way he does that. He will take her up to the lift, and any day he didn't carry her, my baby girl will be saying, carry me, you know. See where he's carrying her up to the lift. Anyway, so today is the season to show love. I hope you show love to your sibling. I hope you show love to your friend. I hope you show love to your parents. I hope you show love to your loved ones, your husband, your siblings, not only for girlfriend and boyfriend or husband and wife. Anyone around you, you can show love. Okay, so just watch some clip that I did, and I hope you enjoy. This is another day again. Anyway, I'll see you guys later on.
Excited,
all right?
Your brother is here. Yay! Yay! Carry you. How are you, boy? It's time now. You cannot carry her. Oh, Jesus. Don't fall out.
We are early to church. We came so early. Move your hand. We came so early. Hey guys, welcome back again. Oh my goodness. So like I said from the beginning of the vlog, that today is Ash Wednesday. So we came to church, but as the early birds we are, I love going to church early if I have the time, or I love going to church early. Okay, so when we came, only few people were there. We were so early. Okay, and it's evening service, evening mass. Okay, and we just came for mass means service, church service. And today Ash Wednesday, we received our Ash Wednesday, and that was how we spend the day. Okay, keep on watching. So here the priest is applying the ashes on the kids and everyone on their forehead. So I just needed to do a little clip of the Ash Wednesday to show you guys. Okay,
I have a cross on my head. Yeah, that means Jesus. Jesus also has a cross on him. What's his birthmark? One
so we are done with our ash, and from church, sorry, not ash, we are done from church today, this evening. So we are down, my husband came down to get some food stuff that we need, and maybe I'll be doing the haul later on, maybe not. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go home. We are going home. So happy Valentine to you all. I don't know when this vlog will be going up, but don't say it's too late. Let's see how it will go. Happy Ash Wednesday to all the Catholics around the whole world. Okay? Okay, I'll see you guys later on. Peace, 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 peace be with you all. Peace, peace, peace. So this is where we used to get some African stuff around my area.
How much kg this? This is 70 kg per kg. Oh, 60 per.
So
60 rupee kg.
different types of chips.
What about this?
Different types of chips.
This one 100 rupees kilo. Total 665.
This one that looks like snacks. See, plantain. Go, shall see how they sample plantain chips. One. Darlings, hi my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back again. So you guys, since that time last clip you guys saw, I've been busy. We came back from church and I couldn't do the haul because I needed to prepare dinner for the kids. Right now they're already sleeping, and when they're sleeping I have my time. So I realized I didn't end the vlog for the day. I didn't end the vlog and I don't want to carry it over to the next day. I want to be making the vlogs a day I close it, and all, even if it's 30 minutes, because I realized that I don't know if it's happening to me alone, but I realized that my long videos are not doing so well. The average view duration is always low. So these days you guys will be seeing short clips, short videos. Pardon me for that, you guys. And low views is really dealing with me. I'm getting discouraged. I'm getting discouraged, but we're not giving up. And I hope if you're watching this for the first time, you're subscribing, please come back and show your support. And if you're my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Please come back and support, show your baby girl some love. Because I'm getting discouraged. Anyway, that's not why I started to portray a good home for you guys to see my daily lifestyle, how I'm managing without help and every other stuff. But we move. The low view can discourage us, but I pray that God will bless my effort with a good result. You know, it's not good that you're putting all the effort and you're not seeing the results. It's get discouraged. You guys are humans. You can testify to what I'm saying. All right, I don't really know what is happening to my YouTube channel these days. But we move. God is in control. That's what I can say. I don't want to carry the vlog to the next day, so I just want to quickly end the vlog. I'm editing some vlog again, and I'm doing a lot of things now that the kids are sleeping. It's currently 10 p.m. so the kids has already gone. They're already sleeping. So I decided I'm editing the vlog, and I realized that I didn't end it properly. So thank you all for thank you so much for watching this vlog. God bless you for your support. God bless you for always coming back to show your love. And if you're watching for the first time, please join our beautiful family. Hello. See this beautiful face right here? Please join our family, subscribe, give the video thumbs up, and share to the community. You see that recipe I made from the beginning? You guys need that recipe. It's plantain, but are you guys not tired of eating the boring plantain, just frying the plantain? It's boring. So I decided to create my own recipe. Recipes are created. It's human being that creates them. So I decided to make my own recipe. So share so that people will see that recipe, so that they can not be eating that boring that boring plantain. And in case you're not a Nigerian or you're not African, that is called plantain. Plantain. Indians, they call it short banana. I don't know what other country they call it, but we call it plantain. So you can make it. It's healthy because I put lots of vegetables. Okay. With that being said, I'll be ending this vlog right here. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, drop your beautiful comment below. I will see you in my next video. Happy Valentine's once more. How was your Valentine, by the way? I beg, let me don't talk. I'm saying I'm ending the vlog. Peace out.
Life is full of blessings. Thank God for his mercy.